Hey friends, I'm gonna give this another try here. Tara coming in live. We just had our kitchen kind of repainted, revamped. I'm excited to show you guys our new countertops as well, but I wanted to show you what we do was we just got back from Costco, got some groceries, some organic fruits and veggies, and now it's time to wash them. So I've got them soaking here. I'll show you guys our new countertops, sparkly. Ooh, I love the sparkle. Woo! So I've got the fruits and veggies here, and they're soaking in 11.5 pH water that comes from this machine right here. This is our Kangen Water machine, and you'll see it needs to do the cleaning cycle because I just filled the basin with the 11.5 water, and it comes out of this top tube right here. And the cool thing about it is this will take off, this 11.5 pH will actually pull pesticides, residues, and wax off of your fruits and vegetables. So I wanted to give you guys a little preview of what this looks like for us in our home. When we get home, everything goes in here and soaks for a good 15 minutes. So I've got organic strawberries here, and we've got asparagus. These are organic apples, cucumbers, raspberries, and tomatoes. And what I really wanted to show you guys was the color of the water that comes off of all of this produce. You can actually see the atrazine and glyphosate. So I'm gonna collect a little sample of this water, you guys, and hopefully against this you'll be able to see. Can you guys see how like yellowy this is? It looks like pea water. Like, it's really gross. You would not want to be drinking this or eating these fruits and veggies if they had not been cleaned this way. And the cool part about this is this water actually, this machine makes two different types of water. So when the 11.5 pH comes out of this hose, the 2.5 strong acidic water that you can use for cleaning, sanitizing surfaces comes out of this one. So I always gather both. So you'll see that I've got containers here. These are all full of the 2.5, which I have a spray bottle here. So I have this, and I'll refill this. It's empty almost, and so I'm going to refill that. And guys, I use this to sanitize surfaces. It's like my replacement for all the Clorox bleach sprays and Lysol sprays and hand sanitizer. So yeah, definitely, you guys do not want to be eating fruits and veggies. Have you ever washed your fruit and veggies in just water, regular tap water, and seen any of this yellow atrazine glyphosate actually come off of your fruits and veggies? Like, it doesn't happen. I've done this test many times, and we just, compare. And the interesting thing is, if you guys think about it, the chlorine that's in the tap water, when you actually wash your hands, bathe in it, like, it goes into your skin and it actually gets absorbed into your body. Well, the same thing happens when you wash your fruits and veggies in chlorinated water. The produce actually absorbs that chlorine. And guys, chlorine is a carcinogen. It is known to actually cause cancer. And this is a big problem. So unless you have a full, whole house filtration system that's taking the chlorine out, like you're getting it when you're showering, when you're washing your hands, when you're using it to clean your fruits and veggies, and it will not remove pesticides and residues. So if you guys are interested, you know that I am a, passionate mama here. Let's see what we got going on with the little man over here. Oh, Micah's enjoying some sunshine and some fresh air. Hey, Micah, what you got there? Oh, you got your car? Look at you. Can you tell everybody how much you love your Kangen water machine? And you don't like to drink any other water? And how we use it to sanitize our hands when we go to Costco and the shopping carts? No. No? Yeah, that's right. We don't want none of that other stuff. So we're going to sign off now. He wants to see himself. So, all right, guys, that's our Tara tidbit for today, for this Water Wednesday. Hope you guys have a beautiful and amazing day. Say bye, Micah.